Hello students, in this lecture we are going to start the sixth chapter of the paper 2, that is the differential equation. Okay, here differential equation, you know the equations. What is meant by the equations? The equality between the two quantities, it is the equation. And there are the several types of the equation, you know, that is the quadratic equation, cubic equation, trigonometric equation, linear equation in a one variable, linear equation in a two variable. Okay, like that many equations, types of the equation. Now in this lecture we see the differential equation. Okay, here the quadratic equation means a second degree equation in a one variable. Okay, trigonometric equation, here it is a definition of the trigonometric equation is an equation which involve or which contain the trigonometric functions. Which are the trigonometric functions? The sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x are the trigonometric function. An equation which contains the trigonometric function is called the trigonometric equation. Like that here, the differential equation, an equation which contains the derivatives of the function, it is called the differential equation. Simple definition, an equation which contains the derivatives of the functions is called the differential equation. Now the derivatives, which functions derivative here? Let us consider here y is equal to f of x is a function. Here we take another function, it is a y is equal to f of t or x is equal to f of t, x is equal to f of u, y is equal to f of u, any function. Here we consider there y is equal to f of x is a function. Okay, now there are the two variables x and y. Here x is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable. Now the differential equation is an equation which contains the independent and dependent variable and their derivatives or the differential coefficient. Differential coefficients means when derivative with respect to x, it is a dx, it is a differential coefficient. Derivative with respect to y, it is a dy, it is a differential coefficient. Here an equation which contains dependent variable, independent variable and their derivatives, first derivative, second derivative, third order derivative, fourth order, any derivative. Okay, or the differential coefficient, it is called the differential equation. Okay, here simple definition, an equation which contains the derivatives of a function is called the differential equation. And derivative, which functions here it is, we consider the y is equal to f of x. Another function, it is a x is equal to f of t or v is equal to f of u, any functions. Okay, here we consider y is equal to f of x. Therefore here it is dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. It is an equation. Okay, here dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0, it is equality. Okay, it is an equation and it is a differential equation. Here in this equation there is a consider the derivative here. In equation, this equation contains the derivative dy by dx. It is a first order derivative of y with respect to x. An equation which contains derivative is called the differential equation. Okay, it is the first example. Now here d2y by dx2 plus 3 dy by dx minus e raised to x plus x is equal to 0. It is again differential equation, or it is d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx whole square plus 5 is equal to 0. It is an also differential equation. Okay. Or here it is the notation y double dash plus y dash plus y is equal to 5 is also a differential equation. Okay, here y double dash, it is double derivative of y with respect to x. Y dash, it is a derivative of y with respect to x, and y is a function. Okay, here these are the differential equations. Okay, definition of the differential equation here equation which contains the derivative of the function is called the differential equation. Okay, here these are the differential equations. Okay, carefully पहा, हे झालं तुमचं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, म्हणजे अँड इक्वेशन विच कंटेन्स द डेरिव्हेटिव्स ऑफ द फंक्शन्स. ओके, फंक्शन it is a independent variable and the dependent variable. Here it is a differential equation, is also differential equation. Here it is a second order derivative. Okay, it is differential equation. Now we see the second definition. Order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation is the highest order derivative in the differential equation. Okay, we consider a differential equation and then the highest order derivative in the differential equation is called the differential equation. Now here the order of differential equation in this equation, okay, see carefully, the order of differential equation, see carefully, order of this differential equation, highest order derivative. Here highest order derivative, it is a dy by dx. So here order is 1. In this equation, order, here highest order derivative, it is a double derivative. Okay, it is a dy by dx and it is d2y by dx too. Therefore order, it is a 2 of this second differential equation. Order of the third differential equation, order, okay, here d2y by dx2, it is a second order derivative, and here it is a dy by dx and it is a square. Okay, it is not a second order derivative, it is only the square of the first order derivative. Okay, square and differentiation, both are the different. Okay, it is not a second order derivative, it is only the square of the first order derivative, and here it is order, it is 2. Again in this example, order of differential equation, it is 2, and here in this example, here we take the third order derivative. In this equation, order, it is a third order derivative. Okay, here order of differential equation means the highest order derivative in the differential equation. Okay, simple definition. Differential equation means an equation which contains the derivatives. Okay, derivatives means first order derivative, second order, third order, any order derivative. An equation which contains the derivatives is called the differential equation, and order of differential equation is the highest order derivative. Highest order derivative in the differential equation, it is a order of differential equation. Then the next definition, it is a degree of the differential equation. Okay, degree of the differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative. Okay, here listen carefully, here the power of the highest order derivative, not the highest power. Okay, power of the highest order derivative. In this differential equation, the highest order derivative is dy by dx, and the power of the dy by dx, power of dy by dx, it is 1. So here degree of differential equation, it is 1. Degree of the differential equation, it is 1. Now the power of the highest order derivative, here again d2y by dx2, the power of the d2y by dx2, it is 1. Again here degree, it is 1. Now here in the third example, the highest power in this equation, highest power, okay, listen carefully, highest power in this equation, it is 2, but degree is the power of the highest order derivative. Here degree is a power of the highest order derivative, and the highest order derivative is this. So the power of this, it is 1, and therefore degree of this differential equation, it is 1. Here in the third example, it is a differential equation, the order of differential equation, it is 2, and here the degree of differential equation means the power of the highest order derivative. Here it is a power of the highest order derivative, not highest power. In this equation, the highest power, it is a 2, but degree is the power of the highest order derivative. Here it is a power of the highest order derivative. Okay, here it is 1, and again in this equation, here we see, here we take the 2. Okay, highest order derivative, it is a third order derivative. Now the power of the highest order derivative is 2, therefore degree, it is 2. Here degree, okay, see carefully here, degree of the differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative. There is a one condition. Okay, the power of the highest derivative is a positive, and it is an integer, not a fractional number. Okay, only integer, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, not a 1 by 2, 1 by 3 or 3 by 4, 5 by 2, like that. Only the integers. Okay, for the degree there is a one condition. The power of the highest derivative, it is in the form of the positive integer. That means the differential equation is the polynomial in the differential coefficient. If the differential equation we can write in the polynomial of the differential coefficient, then we can say, or we can write the degree of the differential equation. If the differential equation we cannot be write in the polynomial form of the differential coefficient, then it is we cannot say the degree of the differential equation, only say the order of the differential equation. Okay, now here see carefully this. We see one example. Here dy by dx plus 2 to the power 1 by 2 is equal to d2i by dx2. Okay. It is a differential equation because this equation contains the derivatives. The order of the differential equation is, it is a highest order, it is a second order derivative. Here highest order, it is a second order derivative. That means the order of differential equation is 2. But here we cannot say directly the degree of the differential equation, because here in the power there is a 1 by 2 and it is not a integer. Okay, here it is a 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 means under root. Okay, here it is 1 by 2. Now first remove this index in the fractional form. We convert this, it is a positive integer in the form of the positive integer. So here it is a 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means square root, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then we get differential equation in the form dy by dx plus 2 is equal to d2i by dx2 whole square here. And now the order is 2 and degree of differential equation is also 2. Here all the indices in the form of the integers. Okay, it is a polynomial in the differential coefficient. Okay. Here it is a 1 by 2. It is a 1 by 2. It is not a integer. Okay, 1 by 2. Here in the form of the square root. So first remove the negative or the fractional number. Okay, in the power. Okay. Here we remove this and we say the order it is a 2 and it is a degree is also 2. Now we see one more example. Here it is d2i by dx2 plus tan of dy by dx. Here it is an angle tan of dy by dx is equal to 1. In this differential equation we can say the order it is 2, but in this equation we cannot say the degree of the differential equation, because here it is a dy by dx in the form of the angle of the tan. Okay, that means this differential equation we cannot write in the form of the polynomial of the differential coefficients. Okay, so here degree cannot be determined. Degree cannot be determined. Here when we take the squaring on both sides, it's simple. Okay, when we take the squaring on both sides, then it is a d2i by dx2 whole square, but here only the tan square, not a dy by dx square. Okay. Here it is a dy by dx is the angle of the tan. When we taking the squaring on both sides, it is a d2i by dx2 whole square, and here it is a tan square, not dy by dx square. So it is not right in the polynomial form of the differential coefficient, so degree cannot be determined, but here we can write the order, highest order derivative. Okay, see carefully, it is a degree and order. See carefully this. Okay, first the definition of the differential equation. It is an equation which contains the differential, that is a derivative of the functions. It is called the differential equation. Now the order of the differential equation, it is highest order derivative in the differential equation. Highest order derivative in the differential equation is called the order of the differential equation, and the degree of the differential equation, it is the power of the highest order derivative in the differential equation, and power must be the positive integer. Okay, here it is a power must be the positive integer. If it is a not integer or not a positive, then reduce in the form of the positive integer, and then we say the order of the, it is degree of the differential equation. Okay, now we see the examples in our textbook. Now we see the examples in the exercise 6.1. Here, they determine the order and degree of the following differential equation. Here, these are the differential equation. We want to find the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. Now the solution. Here we can write the solution. Given differential equation is, here for the first, the given differential equation, it is d2i by dx2 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 sin x. Here it is a given differential equation. We want to find the order and degree of the differential equation. Here order, that means the highest order derivative. Here the highest order derivative, it is a second order derivative, that means order, it is a 2, and degree of the differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative. Okay, and power of the highest order derivative must be, it is a positive integer. Okay, now therefore here order of differential equation is, it is a 2, and degree of differential equation is 1. The power of the highest order derivative, it is a d2i by dx2, and the power of this highest order derivative is 1. Okay, here simple example, it will be asked for 1 mark or 2 mark or in the objective questions. Okay. Now the second, here the second example, it is a cube root. Given differential equation, it is a cube root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to d2i by dx2. Okay, here it is a differential equation. Here clearly the order of differential equation, it is 2, it is a second order derivative, but when they find the degree of the differential equation, here power must be the positive rational number, but here the power, it is a cube root means power 1 by 3. Okay, here in this differential equation, the power in terms of the fractional number, that is a 1 by 3. Okay, here so taking cube root on both sides to remove this. Okay, taking cube on both sides, here it is a cube root, taking cube on both sides, therefore cube on both sides. Okay, here to convert the index in terms of the positive integer, cube root, taking cube on both sides, here it is a cube root, so we take the cube, it will be dy by dx, 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Okay, here it is a cube root, when we take cube, it is cube root get cancelled, here it is, but here d2i by dx2 cube Okay, taking cube on both sides, it is 1 plus dy by dx square plus d2i by dx2 cube. That means the order of differential equation is the second order 2, and degree, it is a power of the highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is this, and this power it is 3. Therefore, order of differential equation is 2 and degree of differential equation is 3. Here, power of the highest order derivative, it is 3. Now we see the third example. The equation it is dy by dx, given differential equation dy by dx is equal to 2 into sin x plus 3 and upon, here it is the dy by dx. Okay, when these dy by dx we can take in the numerator, therefore dy by dx to the power minus 1, here again index is a negative number. Okay, that means we cannot say directly the degree of the differential equation. First, dy by dx we can take in this side, therefore we can write here dy by dx square is equal to 2 sin x plus 3, and therefore order of given differential equation is 1. It is a first order derivative, and degree of differential equation is 2. The power of the highest order derivative, it is order 1 and degree 2. Now the fourth example. Here it is d2i by dx2 plus dy by dx plus x is equal to under root of 1 plus d3y by dx3. Okay. Here the order of differential equation, it is a second order derivative, it is first order derivative, and it is third order derivative. That means the highest order derivative, it is a third order derivative, that is order is 3. But here this, the power of this highest order derivative, it is a 1 by 2 because it is in the under root. Okay, so first squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Okay, then here it is d2i by dx2 plus dy by dx plus x whole square is equal to 1 plus, and now the highest order derivative, it is a third derivative, and here the power of the highest order derivative, it is 1. That means the degree of the order of the differential equation, it is 3, and degree of the differential equation, it is 1. Okay, there is no need to expansion of this square. Okay, here order and degree. Okay, therefore the order of differential equation is 3, order 3, and degree of differential equation, it is 1. The power of the highest order derivative. See carefully. Now we see the fifth example. Here d2i by dt2, here variables are y and t. Okay, plus dy by dt square plus 2t and plus 5 is equal to 0. Clearly here the order of differential equation, it is 2, and degree of the differential equation, it is 1. The power of the highest order derivative. Okay, not a highest power it is 2, but degree, it is power of the highest order derivative. Therefore order of differential equation, it is 2, and degree it is 1, the power of the highest order derivative. Okay, see carefully. Now we see the again remaining 5 examples in this. Now the example number 6. Here the given differential equation y triple dash, that means the third order derivative, whole square plus 3y double dash plus 3 into x y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Okay, clearly here it is a third order derivative, that means the order 3 and degree 2. Okay, order of differential equation, order of differential equation, it is a 3 and degree of differential equation, it is 2. Order 3 and degree 2. Now the next example, example number 6. So sorry, it is 7. d2i by dx2 whole square plus cos of dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, here in this differential equation, see carefully, the order of differential equation, it is the highest order derivative, it is the second order derivative, it is first order derivative and it is second, d2i by dx2. Therefore order of differential equation, it is 2. But in this equation we cannot say the degree of the differential equation, because here the dy by dx, it is a derivative in the angle of this function, that is the cos. Okay, that means we cannot be express this differential equation in the polynomial of the differential coefficient. So here degree cannot be determined. Okay, here order of differential equation, order of differential equation, it is a 2, and here degree of differential equation cannot define. Okay, because this differential equation cannot be expressed as the polynomial of the differential coefficient. Okay, see carefully, because this derivative in the angle of this function, that is the cos x, it is the angle of this function differential equation. When we take the squaring on both sides, cubing on both sides, it is only the square of cos, cube of cos, but not the square, cube, any power of the dy by dx. So it cannot be expressed as the polynomial of the differential coefficient. So degree of this differential equation cannot be defined. Okay, here this, remember this. Now the question number 8. The given differential equation, it is 1 plus dy by dx square to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 8 into d2i by dx2. Okay, clearly here we say the second order derivative, therefore highest order derivative, it is a 2, order of differential equation, it is 2, but the power of the highest order derivative, here in this differential equation, the power of the differential coefficient, that means the power of the derivatives, here in the form of 3 by 2. Okay, fractional number, it is a 3 by 2. Here we convert this in the positive integer. Okay, here it is a 3 by 2, that means power 3 and power 1 by 2. It is a power, it is a 3 by 2, that means 3 into 1 by 2. That means here it is a square root, power 1 by 2. It is a square root. So we are taking the square on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. Okay, here 3 by 2, it is a power 3 and it is again 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 means the square root. So we are squaring on both sides. When we take the squaring on both sides, we get, it is a 1 plus dy by dx square to the power 3. When we take the square, these two to get cancelled, and is equal to squaring on this. It is a 64 into d2y by dx2 whole square, and therefore order of differential equation, it is a 2, and degree of differential equation is also 2. Okay, here we take the squaring on both sides. Order it is 2, and the power of the highest order derivative, it is again 2. It is the degree of the differential equation. Now the next, it is example number 9. The given differential equation, it is d3y by dx3 to the power 1 by 2 minus dy by dx to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 20. Okay. Now here it is a d3y by dx3 to the power 1 by 2 minus dy by dx to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 20. Okay. Here this power, the highest order derivative, it is a 3, that is a order 3, it is a third derivative, but it is a power 1 by 2 and it is power 1 by 3. Okay. So it is a fractional number, we remove this. So taking the power, it is a square root, therefore taking squaring on both sides, and it is a cube root, so taking cubing on both sides. So by taking the LCM of this 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, it is a 1 by 6. Okay, so we take the sixth power, we take the sixth power of the differential equation. Okay, here take sixth power on both sides. Therefore, here we get, see carefully, d3y by dx3 to the power 1 by 2 minus dy by dx to the power 1 by 3 and whole to the power 6 is equal to 20 to the power 6. Taking sixth power on the both sides. Okay, here to find the order of differential equation, here not necessary to expand this to the power 6. Here we know when we take the sixth power and expanding it, highest power and the highest order derivative, it is a 3. Okay, therefore order of differential equation, it is 3. Now degree is the power of the highest order derivative, and here power must be positive integer. So here when we expand this to the power 6, that means we use the formula a minus b whole to the power 6 expansion. But here no need to expansion, we know only the power for this first term, and power of the first term is, see carefully, 1 by 2 to the power 6. Okay, here 1 by 2 to the power 6, it is a d3y by dx3 to the power 1 by 2 and whole to the power 6, it is the first term of this expansion. Okay, and here 1 by 2 to the power 6, it is a 3, and therefore degree of differential equation, it is 3. Okay, here there is no need to expand, only we know the power of the first term and then the power of the first term. First term, it is a d3 by dx3 to the power 1 by 2 and to the power this 6. So we get 1 by 2 into 6 roots of the indices, it is a 3. Therefore the degree of the differential equation, it is a 3. Now we see the last example. Here example number 10. Given differential equation x plus d2y by dx2 is equal to under root of 1 plus dy by dx square. Okay, now again sorry, it is d2y by dx2. Okay, first it is a highest order derivative, it is 2, but it is under root. First take the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, then here it is x plus d2y by dx2 square is equal to 1 plus d2y by dx2 square. Now it is a plus b whole square. We expand this, okay, because it is double derivative and it is also double derivative. Okay, then it is expanding, it is x square plus 2x d2y by dx2 plus dy by d2y by dx2 whole square. It is only the expansion of this term, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 1 plus d2y by dx2 square. Now here in this it is a d2y by dx2 square and it is d2y by dx2 square get cancelled. We get x square plus 2x d2y by dx2 is equal to 1. And now in this differential equation, the order of differential equation it is 2, but degree of the differential equation it is 1. Okay, power of this, therefore order it is 2 and degree it is 1. Order of differential equation it is 2 and degree of differential equation it is 1, because this d2y by dx2 whole square and d2y by dx2 whole square get cancelled. We get this equation and the order of this differential equation it is 2 and degree it is 1. See carefully, it is the order and degree of the differential equation.